Hello guys, I am Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and this is the part 2 of Les Salutations, and in this we are going to complete the leftover part. So let us go on to the page. So here we are at the topic from which we left. This is a conversation, in particularly first is between Sarah and the teacher, and the second is between her friend and Caroline. So Sarah says, "Bonjour monsieur, hello sir." The teacher replies, "Bonjour Sarah, comment allez-vous?" which is, "Hello Sarah, how are you?" Sarah says, "Bien, et vous?" Good, and you? Now going to the next conversation, which is between Caroline. She says, "Salut, ça va?" which is, "Hello, how are you?" One boy replies, "Salut Caroline," which is, "Hello Caroline." And another boy says, "Ça va, et toi?" which is, "Fine, and you?" So let us go on to the next page. So here we are, and here is another question which we need to answer. Listen and find the image which correspond to the dialogue. So as you remember that I have told you so many times that I do have another playlist in which I have written the question answers. You can go in there and find the answers to this question. So do go there, and that will help you a lot. Now coming to the next, we here have a poem which we need to listen and then sing. So first I'll read this poem to you, then I'll explain it to you, and then I'll sing it for you. So the name of the poem is Frère Jacques, which means Brother Jack. Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonnez les mata, ding dang dong. So the meaning of this poem is, Brother Jack, are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? It is the morning, ding ding dong. So the ding ding dong here is the ringing of a bell from a clock. So I'll sing it for you. Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonnez les matines, ding dang dong. So let us go on to the next page. And here we are at the Apreno. As I've told you, after each chapter there is a table called Apreno in which all the new words of that chapter are given to us, and you can easily go on and check to those. So let us see the Apreno, or let us learn table of this chapter. Salutation, which is greetings. A bientôt is see you soon. Bonjour is good morning or hello. Bonne nuit is good night. Bonsoir is good evening. Ça va bien merci. Et toi is fine, thank you, and you. But it is said to a friend. So as you remember, whenever we speak of a friend, then we are thinking or speaking about the informal conversation, and whenever it is written that it is spoken to adult or several person, then it is a formal conversation. So let us go on to the next one, which is comment allez-vous, and it is how are you. Comment ça va is how are you, and it is said to a friend. Comment tu t'appelles is what is your name to a friend. Comment vous appelez-vous, what is your name to an adult. Now the next we have Adama is see you tomorrow. Now we have dormez-vous, are you sleeping. Et vous, and you, it is informal. Une fille is girl. Frère is brother. A garçon is boy. Madame is madam or Mrs., but it is in singular. Mesdames is madam or Mrs., but it is in plural. Mademoiselle is miss, it is in singular, and mesdemoiselle is miss, and it is in plural. Then we have monsieur, which is sir or mister. Monsieur is sir or mister, but it is in the plural. So now going on to the next page, here we have au revoir, which is goodbye. Salut is hello. Sonne les matins is ring the bell. Then we have s'il vous plaît, which is please. Bienvenue is welcome. Enchanté is delighted. Ça va mal is not good. Pas mal is not bad. Comme si comme ça is so. Au revoir is again goodbye. À tout à l'heure is see you very soon. À bientôt is see you soon. Bonsoir is good evening. Bon après-midi is good afternoon. Pardonnez-moi is pardon me. Excusez-moi is excuse me. De rien is it's nothing. Je t'en prie is I forgive you. Désolé is sorry. Il n'y a pas de quoi is it doesn't matter. Merci beaucoup is thanks a lot. So here we have completed this chapter and going on to the question answers. As you remember that I have told you, I do have another written playlist in which I have written those question answers and explained it to you. You can go and check on that playlist and get the answer for these. So that was all for this video, and I hope that you liked the lesson number 1, which is Les Salutations. Goodbye and have a nice day. But before going, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.